how to delete my accounting entries in FreshBooks over. Need to clean up your FreshBooks account? Here's how to delete invoices, expenses, and payments step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and head over to the invoices tab. And then from here, you'll find all of the invoices you have on FreshBooks. Go ahead and select all of the invoices that you want to delete. So you can delete all of it at once by clicking on this check button at the left side of client or invoice number. And then from here, you should find this more actions button at the right side. So you can also select bulk actions. And since what you want is to delete it, click on delete from here. And then you need to confirm deleting all of this invoice on this section. Now, another thing you can do is to delete your expenses. So head over into the expenses tab and you should find all of your expenses into this section. So you can find a check mark at the left side as well from here and a bulk action button where you can simply select delete to delete all of the expenses you've made on your FreshBooks account. Now go ahead and proceed with the time tracking section. So from here, you should find all of your time tracking entries. So go ahead and delete that. And then you can go ahead and proceed on deleting your clients by heading over into the clients section. So simply select all of the clients or check this checkbox at the left side to select all of the clients listed and shown in here. Select bulk actions and select delete to delete it all. Now, note that FreshBooks does not allow a full wipe of all records at once. For a complete reset, you may need to cancel your account or contact support. FreshBooks lets you delete entries individually or in bulk, but not all at once. For compliance, consider archiving instead of deleting. That's the easy guide to deleting accounting entries in FreshBooks.